Welcome back, YouTube. Much love and appreciation to all my returning clients as usual, but if you are new here, my name is Hayes. I am indeed a veterinarian as well as a sneakerhead, hence the name TheShoeVet. And on today's appointment, we're actually not going over shoes. We got a little bit of merch to go over. Just a little bit though, not too much. Before we get into it though, I have a real big favor for you guys. Support the channel. And honestly, the best way to do that, it's not even just about subscriptions, although we just hit 500 subscribers, which is crazy, which is big. I mean, that's, come on, half a stack, that's half a rack. That's not a case, it's the lowercase k. Yes, we're at the lowercase k right now, okay? But yes, it's not just about the subscriptions, it's not about the likes, all of that helps the algorithm too as well. The biggest thing to me, honestly, is the feedback. If you're liking something, let me know. If you're not feeling something about my content on any of my videos, again, let me know. That's really how I kind of operate things. Like, I have my own style, my own flow and everything like that, but if there's things that you feel like I should tweak, do better, or do more of, do less of, whatever, let me know. Example being, I know there's a video that I made sometime last year about some Oswego's, the metallic ones, and I mean, you guys flooded my comments about, hey, you only had one pair of pants, we didn't like that selection, couldn't see the shoe, yada yada yada. And although I personally like those pants, cool, I get it. So ever since then, you know, I just had like a bigger selection of pants, different colors, different styles, widths, cuts, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm definitely paying attention to you guys' comments, and I try and respond to every single comment too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Feedback, that's out the way. Let's get into it. All right, now May 29th, 2020, Travis Scott and Nike teamed up again to drop their latest collab. It was the Nike Air Max, I think 270 Trails, and of course that was with the raffle. You already know I got that L. You already know L clubs. Or is it like this? One of these L's is right on the screen. But yes, I got the L. The shoes did drop with some merch. It dropped with a hoodie, a t-shirt, as well as some sweatpants. And the whole theme of it is, well, trails, so camping, and these are very cargo-esque, so they have a lot of different pockets and everything like that all over the place. And it's actually pretty unique. It's actually pretty cool. I copped the t-shirt. I don't know how to think about that because it's right here. I copped the t-shirt as well as the sweatpants. I didn't get the hoodie because this wouldn't really be practical right now because I'm out in the middle of the desert. It's hot. And I was thinking, hey, maybe I could have just put it on ice until fall, winter, or whatever like that, but maybe I'll cop it then. But yeah, I only got the t-shirt and the sweatpants. Let's go ahead and bring out the t-shirt first. So as we see here, it's the t-shirt. I got this in a size small, and as far as the fit for actually both of these items, and I'm assuming the hoodie too as well, oversized. Honestly, in hindsight, I probably should have gotten an extra small after I put this on, but I mean, it is what it is. It still somewhat fits me. It's a little big. I'm not a big guy. I'm 5'7", I'm like 132, 135, soaking wet, whatever. Slightly oversized, a little bit on the boxy look as far as cut goes. I do like the front though, kind of minimalistic, has that pocket square on the left side of the chest with the Nike swoosh embroidered into it in a kind of like a dirt, almost like a blood orange. The pocket is secured with Velcro. It has a pretty good amount of depth concerning it for being a front chest pocket. On the back, you got that Cactus Jack logo that's embroidered in that same kind of bloody orange color. Just make smack dab in the middle. Then you got your Nike tag on the collar. I mean, but that's pretty much it. It's just a minimalistic black heavy cotton t-shirt that, again, oversized, a little bit of a boxy cut. I wouldn't say, I feel like the Airfare God t-shirts were a little bit boxier than this, but I still get some strong box feelings on this. So yeah, let me go ahead and put this on actually. Oh yeah. And yeah, it breathes okay. It breathes okay. Again, like I said, a little big, a little boxy, a little roomy, oversized, so yeah, take that into account. Small guys like me, like I said, I probably the one with the extra small in retrospect, but it's no big. Actually, it is big, but whatever. Anyways, coming up next though, we got the sweatpants. And now I love these sweatpants though. The cargo sweatpants, again, base black color, heavy cotton. As far as size, now I have tried these on, and as far as the sizing goes, yeah, these are a little bit oversized too as well. So again, in retrospect, kind of wish I went for the extra small, kind of wish I got the extra small, but you know, it is what it is. These still technically fit me. It's just a little bit of a baggier fit, and now it's not my typical style. You know, it makes it look a little more cozy, you know. The big draw about these pants though is just the astounding amount of pockets. So let's go ahead and run through the actual pants real quick, and we'll get there. You do have an elastical waistband. You do have an elastic waistband with the drawstring included. On the front left side, right by the pocket, you do have the Nike swoosh embroidered in that kind of, you know, blood orange color. And as far as features goes, I mean, that's pretty much it aside from the pockets. Let's go ahead and do a quick pocket count. Starting from the side on the right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jesus Christ, 9 pockets on one pair of pants. That's a lot of pocket. That's a lot of pocket. But yeah, you got your 2 traditional pockets that are on the side, 1 on each side. On the front left leg, you do have these kind of beige colored little cargo pockets that are made out of like I want to say nylon, but it almost feels a little bit like canvas, honestly. So we'll say a nylon canvas pocket. That's on the front, beige color, white KK zippers. Oh, if I didn't mention before too, the pockets on the side have white KK zippers as well. Moving over to the right leg, you do have 2 cargo pockets that have a flap over them, secured with Velcro. These are all in black, canvas-like material. And then my favorite pocket on this entire pant is this little ankle pocket down here. Beige color, just like the ones on the left pant leg, but it's way down by the ankle. And you know, maybe I'm speculating on a little bit too much, but you know how on like the Travis Scott 1s and the Travis Scott 6s, how they have that little stash pockets you can kind of maybe put a little bag of some certain substances in there, you know what I mean? I wonder if this is kind of a play on of that. You know how people used to, I mean, I wouldn't know, but you know, you know how people used to kind of, you know, put those things like maybe around in their sock, stuff like that. You know, I mean, I wouldn't know personally. You know, I'm just to put it out there. I don't know personally, but yeah, I feel like maybe this is kind of a play on of that. I don't know. Absolutely well done though if it is. YKK zipper though. On the back, you have 2 separate pockets. On the left cheek pocket, you do have a camo pocket that's secured with Velcro. Right cheek, you do have a flap that is actually secured with buttons, Nike embroidered in it. And that's pretty much it for these pants. Let's go ahead and put them on. And yeah, again, pretty nice and roomy. They're very comfortable, pretty soft, heavy cotton though. So this isn't something I would probably wear like in the middle of the day though, but definitely when I'm chilling around the house or, you know, early in the mornings, I have to run some errands, or later on at night. I'm just, well, probably not really going out right now because quarantine, but still, anyways, yeah, these are comfortable pants. That's what I'm trying to get at. But yeah, guys, as far as like the feel and everything on them, again, slightly oversized, going true to size. So if you want like a slimmer, more true to size fit, go down a size. These are nice and cozy though. Definitely something that's, you know, real chill to wear around the house if you're just going out for some errands on a pretty cool chill day. I think these are pretty good for it too as well. You will get a lot of looks though from these pockets though, because these pockets stick out. But yeah, onto the experiment though. We have a lot of pockets, and pockets are supposed to what? Pocket things. So let us see how many things we can pocket in these pockets. What are these things? High shoes. If you haven't had a high shoe before, I don't know, you must be living under a rock because these things are amazing. Starburst, what? If you had a high shoe before, would you go with these or Starburst? Honestly, I'm feeling these. The goal is to see how many of these can I actually put inside of these pockets. We got a big old bag here, so we have a large amount of ammunition. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I might have just underestimated this. I just hit 300 high chews in these pockets, and I only have 2 and maybe 3/4 of a pocket out of 9. So we gotta restock. Let's go. and we're done. Total amount of high chews that I was able to fit into these pockets, that's the 9 pants pockets, and this one right here, 650 high chews. And this video actually took a lot longer than I expected. I don't think I filmed it, but I actually had to go out and restock again. I mean, these pockets hold a lot. I bet you if I had the hoodie, I probably could easily get to about $1,000, to be honest. Yeah, whole lot. I am sagging like, I don't think you can see it, but man, I am sagging like crazy. You know, I mean, these pockets are like a solid at least like 5 pounds at least, probably a bit more. But yeah, everything is filled. Can definitely hold a lot. Alright, so yeah, I need to go take these pants off. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you thought this was creative and entertaining, make sure you leave a like, a subscription. More importantly though, just some feedback, like I said. But yeah, I need to go take these pants off. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you thought it was creative, just leave some feedback. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 by December. Leave a like, helps out with the algorithm, yada, yada, yada. You know the deal. But I'm going to see you guys in the next appointment, okay?